was a singular achievement, one that has helped seniors live longer, healthier, and more productive lives. It's enhanced their financial security, and it's given us all the peace of mind to know that there will be health care available for us when we're in our golden years. Today, fond memories to which we've all borne witness is a testament to the way this singular figure in American history touched so many lives. His ideas and ideals are stamped. I wanted to especially single out South Africa because South Africa is singular in having had a nuclear weapons program, had moved forward on it, and then decided this was not the right path. Dismantled it, and has been a strong, effective leader in the international community around non-proliferation issues ever since. He lived a singular life. One of the giants upon whose shoulders I stand. But to the United States Corps cadets, and most of all the class of 2010, it is a singular honor to serve as your Commander-in-Chief. As you should be on how do we continue the momentum of the recovery, how do we make sure that we grow this economy and we create more jobs. So we cannot play politics. Generations before, we must embrace America's singular role in the course of human events. My concern right now, my singular focus, is the American people. El Cinco de Mayo marks a singular moment in Mexican history. So, yes, this Medal of Honor is bestowed on a single soldier for his singular courage. Rosa Parks' singular act of disobedience launched a movement.
Then we found a page of testimony, which was filled in 53 by the only sign that survived, the beginning that when we embarked on that huge project to collect the names, every singular human being.
Beyond these quiet hills, across that special bridge, is a city of monuments dedicated to visionary leaders and singular moments in the life of our republic. So, today we're here to celebrate a Louisville team that always played hard, that always worked together, that stayed focused on one singular goal, and that is to bust my bracket. Marcel and the Mandela family, to President Zuma and members of the government, to heads of state and government, past and present, distinguished guests, it is a singular honor to be with you today, to celebrate a life like no other. What a singular honor it is for me to be here today. But whatever genre of music he was playing, there was no mistaking his singular sound, that virtuoso piano playing that matched that one-of-a-kind voice.